Hello, this is me again, Mark, and we all know that most of the condo here in Cebu, once turned over, you will be the one to dress up your unit. However, if you are buying here in the Suites of Gordo, which is developed by the Worldwide Central Properties, this is alongside the Gordo Avenue and Archbishop Reyes Avenue. Archbishop Reyes Avenue, front of that is the Cebu Business Park. So the reason why I want to take video, or the reason why that I want to show you this unit, because we have promo here in the Worldwide Central Properties, particularly here in the Suite of Gordo condominium. We are going to deliver the unit with furnishings. It's a promo, take note, it's a promo, because if it is not promo, so we are going to deliver the unit empty. However, it's promo and it only until, I will not give that date, but because maybe you can, so anyway, too much talking. So, this is a one-bedroom condo unit here at the Suites of Gordo. You have this fixed kitchen, and I think that's part of the promo, the cooktop and the range hood. And this is solid. Sometimes if you're buying a condo, it looks like this is quartz, but sometimes in other condo, it looks like quartz, but it's not quartz, it's plastic, it's synthetic, but this one is quartz, real quartz. And this is packaged. This is packaged with the promo, and this is also packaged with the promo. You know, it's really quality, huh? This is not sayo lang sa tao eh. IKEA brand. And the TV, of course, I think this is important for the Filipino family TV, especially if you have kids. And the aircon, this is packaged. TV, sofa, aircon, but please do not consider this, because this is just only accents and this is not considered. Only the sofa, the TV, the aircon, the two sets of dining. And I want to close this one first because I want you to emphasize the area. So this is your living area, and then this is your kitchen, your kitchen, dining, and this is your bedroom area. So it's frosted glass and it's sliding glass. Let's go to your bedroom. And welcome to your bedroom. This is a one-bedroom unit, and this one is packaged for the promo. And this one, all of the units, we are giving this one. So even though you have in promo, you have this. And aircon, it's packaged, and this one, it's very useful. You don't have to do the interior with this, because this is a condenser. There is a condenser below of this box. The Suites of Gordo made this into something very useful. You don't have to buy sofa for your room because you already have this. Maybe you can buy na foam and then you can cover with this box, so that you can make this one into a sofa. Because what will this area will bring to you, because your view there, you have the view of the southwest of, this is not southwest of Cebu. You have that view of Cebu downtown, Cebu uptown, and you have the view of SRP and the CCLX. And it's really high ceiling. And you have this full glass. Now it's 2:30 in the afternoon, and I want to touch this glass if it's hot. No, it's not hot. This is a double glazed glass. Double glazed. If this is an ordinary glass, then you will touch this one because it's already 2:30 in the afternoon. It is not hot, promise. How much more if you are here inside? Afternoon sun is there, but because of the double glazed glass, the humid, di ba? Nabawasan siya. And it's full glass. And maybe you can turn it, this area is dako pa siya Maybe you can make this into your home office, because you can put your computer there and your desk there, and maybe you can put additional something here. Maybe you can put carpet. Magigilay-gilay ka dili. So that's the reason why I'm taking you here, because we have promo. So please take advantage of the promo, because not all buildings here avail this package furniture, and it's provided by IKEA. It's a promo, it's free. You are paying the same price for the promo unit. Then this one is promo. You just reserve, and enjoy this, the Suites at Gordo. I will bring you to the lobby of the Suites at Gordo so that you can see how beautiful is your lobby. Let's go there. And finally, we are now at the residential lobby of Suites at Gordo. We have the lobby of the Somerset. It's located on the east part of this building, and this is the west part of the building. And you have that very nice chandelier, kahoy-kahoy pa. And I would like to tell you this is made by Kenneth. So I want to sit down on Kenneth Kabundu's masterpiece. Wow! Tingnan na kasok si Kenneth. And you have the commodity and that room. And we have this concierge area. This is dedicated for the residential lobby. Kaya ang hotel lobby mo is located on the other side. And we cannot go there. And nice ko tayo, aso-aso. And this is it. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. This is the parking of the Suites at Gordo.
Head north on Archbishop Reyes Avenue toward Acacia Street.
And that's the Suites at Gordo.
Turn left onto Cebu Transcend.